Hello children, are you all ready for the next story of Nritya Kathayen? Your favorite stories told with dance expression and mudras. Today I am going to tell you the story of Buntu and Sundar, the crocodile and the monkey. In this, the mudras that I will be using are swastika for crocodile, monkey face and dola for monkey, kangula for jamun, tripataka for tree, and pataka for river. So, shall we listen to the favorite story of Sundar and Buntu?
नृत्य कथाएं जनजीवन की विभिन्न कलाएं भाव राग तालों से सजा के लाए हैं नृत्य कथाएं हो।
Once there was a monkey called Sundar who lived on top of a jamun tree that was on the bank of a river. The jamuns were so sweet and tasty that he used to eat jamuns all day. By the side of the river there lived a crocodile, Buntu. Buntu used to see Sundar eating the jamuns and he said, "Hello there." Sundar said, "Oh, hello, what is your name?" The crocodile replied, "My name is Buntu and I have no friends." Sundar said, "Would you like to be my friend?" "Yes," said Buntu. Sundar immediately replied, "Oh, Buntu, now that you are my friend, I will give you jamuns to eat. Would you like that?" Buntu was overjoyed. He opened his mouth wide and Sundar threw jamuns into his mouth from the tree. Buntu ate the jamuns and was very happy. This went on every day. One day, Buntu's mother told him, "Buntu, I have made your favorite fish curry today. Get ready to eat your dinner." But Buntu said, "Mother, I am so full." "Full? Full of what?" "Mother, I have a friend called Sundar the monkey. He gives me jamuns to eat. They are so tasty. My stomach is full." Buntu's mother said, "What? You, friend with a monkey? We should be eating the monkey's heart, which should be very juicy and tasty and sweet. Go and bring me his heart tomorrow for my birthday." Buntu replied, "No, mother, no, I cannot kill my friend." Buntu's mother said, "Then don't look at me anymore. Go." Buntu sadly went the next day to the tree where Sundar was happily eating jamuns. Sundar saw Buntu's face. "Oh, Buntu, why are you looking so sad?" Buntu replied, "My mother has told me to bring you to our house for a party." Sundar said, "Oh wow, a party! That is great. I'd love to go to the party. Why are you sad? I'm coming right away, but I don't know how to swim." Buntu said, "It's all right. I will carry you on my back." So Sundar jumped from the tree onto the crocodile's back and the crocodile started swimming towards the middle of the river. As soon as he reached midpoint, he said, "Sundar, I would like to tell you the truth. I am actually not taking you to a party. My mother wants to eat your heart as she thinks that it must be very sweet." Buntu got all scared, but he calmly said, "Oh, Buntu, why didn't you tell me before? I would have got my heart, but now I've left it on the tree." The foolish crocodile turned around and went back to the tree. Sundar hopped off Buntu's back onto the tree and said, "Buntu, you are not only a traitor but also very foolish. Can anyone leave his heart behind? I will never talk to you any more." Buntu said, "Please, please forgive me, Sundar. I will never do this again. No, I should have known that you are my natural enemy. I should never have become friends with you. Goodbye." So, children, what did you learn from this story? That we must be very careful about whom we are friends with. What are the mudras that I used today? To show the crocodile, the monkey, the jamun, the tree, and the river.
नृत्य कथाएं जनजीवन की विभिन्न कलाएं भाव राग तालों से दिखाने लाए हैं, भाव राग तालों से दिखाने लाए हैं, भाव राग तालों से दिखाने लाए हैं।